All right, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the OneClass channel. My name is Kevin, and I'm going to be teaching you some economics today. A little bit about me. I hold both a bachelor's and a master's degree in economics, and I also work as an economist. I'm going to walk you through some common problems in economics today, probably like 10 or 12 of them over the next hour or so. What I'll be doing is verifying solutions from our junior tutors and providing any background knowledge necessary for us to solve those problems. So without further ado, we can get going here. First question reads as follows. Items used in the manufacturing process to become part of the final product are called, and what our junior tutor has written is production goods, which is correct. And they followed that up by writing that production goods is a category of goods which comes under industrial goods used by the manufacturers in the production process, which ultimately becomes a part of the finished goods. Another word for this might be intermediate goods or intermediate inputs. Industrial goods are those which are used for business. They're purchased by industries and organizations to be used in the process of production and operation of the business. They include raw materials, machinery, manufacturing plants, and the components used in the final products. The demand for production goods is derived from the demand for consumer goods. I really don't have too much to add to that one. I would just remember that intermediate inputs is a synonym in this case, and honestly probably more widely used in the literature, from my experience at least. So I'm going to say excellent answer, that's correct. And we can move on to the next question.